In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to find an original amount, in this case an original price, following a percentage increase. So let's have a look at this question here. It says, after a 35% increase, a TV was $850. Find the original price. So again, let's have a think about what this means. We're going to call the original price 100%. Okay, that was the original price. So we start with the original price of 100%. Let's call that the original price. And then what happens is it goes up by 35%. So this is the increase. And then it is worth 135%. And that is the new cost or the new price. And that is $850. So, let me just make that a better rate. So, you can think of it like this. If we're going to start turning this information into an equation, we can think of it, okay, so 850, this is the dollar amount, is 135% of what number? So let me turn that into something a little bit more algebraic, a bit more of an equation. 850, the is equals, turn 135% into a decimal, so it'll be that. I'll put it in brackets, 1.35, and then I'll put what. We'll call that our variable. We'll call that y. Okay. And what is this? It's the original price. So let's have a look. We have here 1.35 multiplied. That's what the brackets right next to the variable mean. Multiplied by y. We want to get rid of 1.35 multiplied. So that we have the variable by itself. So we do the opposite. We divide by 1.35. So if we multiply by 1.35, then we divide by 1.35, we will cancel that out. Now, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other, because one side is equal to the other. So both sides are balanced. If you change one side, you've got to change the other by exactly the same amount. This now says 850 divided by 1.35, and that's a job for our calculator. 850 divided by 1.35, and we're left with this, 629.62. I'll round it to 2 decimal places, so 629.63. So that goes on the left and on the right. We're left with this y, so bring the y down like this. So the answer is y equals $629.63. So that is the y, that is the 100%, and so I can give the final answer. The original price was $629.63. Box the final answer, and we are done.